Should I buy gold to diversify my portfolio? Should I buy gold is a very important question. The short answer is yes, but it is important to understand why and to look at what form of gold you would want to buy. Traditionally, the wealthy aristocrats would keep a large portion of their wealth in gold, usually in gold coins, bars, and jewelry. Gold has always had a fascination for man and seems to invoke a desire to possess it. Gold is not the rarest of materials, but it is gold that holds that magical, undefined quality, that desire to be owned, which other precious metals and stones do not seem to have. If you want to diversify some of your assets into gold, or you are keen just to have some gold bullion in the form of gold coins as a hobby, there are various types of gold to suit any purpose. The most popular type of gold is gold bullion, and it is mostly sold in the form of gold coins and bars. These coins and bars are popular with collectors and investors alike. The advantage with coins and small bars is that they are easy to transport and store. The value is retained and even increases over time, and they are easy to sell. Gold coins, being a medium of exchange and legal tender in their country of production rather than an investment vehicle, attract less tax problems as well. It's also important that you work out how much or what proportion of your assets you want to diversify into gold. Of course, you can split the funds you are committing to gold between different gold types. Putting all your eggs into various baskets is always a sound principle. The answer to the question, should I buy gold, of course, is a resounding yes. And provided you know what mix you are going to buy and how much you are going to spend, any investment you make in gold is sure to result in a bright, golden future. Remember, take care of your money, and your money will take care of you. Call or email us today if we can help. We stand ready to serve you.